Hey guys, this is Attendance App Vlog 1, where I share the development process of my project, AttendEase. If you can think of a better name, please let me know in the comment section below. Basically, AttendEase is an AI-powered attendance app which uses facial recognition to automatically scan and mark students as present. So I have my phone on my tripod right there. I'm going to quickly show you a demo of the app, or what it is so far. This is not the final product, but it's a progress update. So this is what it is so far. So here I am on the homepage of the app. All right. You can see we have four options. We can either scan students, view today's performance, view today's attendance, view the students, or add on students. So let's go ahead and click view students. So we can see that we have two students in our database so far. We have John Doe and myself. So let's click John Doe. We can see that we can see all the student information. If I want to edit this information, I can go ahead and do that. Click edit, and I can fill out this form and edit the information. Or I can even delete the student record itself. It will prompt me to say if I actually want to delete it. Let's not do that. Let's not do that in this case. I can also edit the profile picture for the student. We can also add another student if we wanted to. So I can click this button. Here's a form where we can enter the details of the student, and we can also choose an image for the student. So I'm actually going to show you this. So I'm going to click choose image and rotate. So you can see it's showing the image, allowing us to choose another image, choose an image for the student. So I'm going to click that button right here, and it's going to take a picture. All right. So you can see in this image that we have a lot of items, the webcam, the bottle, and the entire surroundings. But when I click OK, it's actually going to use a face detection algorithm to actually just crop out the face. And that will be saved to the database as the student image. So if I wanted to add the student, I could fill out the details, then click submit. But I'm not going to do that right now. We can also view today's attendance. So let's click that. We can see that there are no students present right now. All the students are absent. But let's change that. So let's actually go to the crux of the application, which is scanning the students. So I can click scan students. It will open up the scanner, and you can see it's detected me, or Raj Pulpura. So it's detected that I'm in the frame. If I wanted to, I can then go ahead and mark as present. So I'm going to click that. And usually there would be some UI animation or something that shows me that it's been marked, or it will transition me to the attendance page. But for now, I haven't implemented that yet. So let's just go back, and there we can go and view today's attendance. And you can see that I am marked as present, and John Doe is marked as absent. If I want to undo this, I can also do that. So I can drag and drop this into the absent, and you can see that now it's been marked as absent. There's also authentication, so teachers can sign in and sign out of this application so they can see their students' attendance. Yeah, so that's basically the app I've implemented so far. It's just a prototype right now. There's a lot of features to implement, and also I need to improve the UI generally. But yeah, that's basically the app so far. Some of the features I'm going to implement is I'm going to allow teachers to download CSV or Excel reports detailing their students' performance. I'm also going to add a feature where teachers can SMS parents if a student is sick, for example, or if they've been absent for too long. And also, I'm just going to generally improve the UI. Yeah, that's basically all the features I'm going to implement. For those of you on the technical side, if you want to know how I'm building this application, I'm using Flutter, which is a cross-platform app development framework. I used it because I've used it in the past, so it's pretty convenient to use it now. For the backend, for the database, I'm using Firebase because it integrates well with Flutter. So I'm using Firebase Firestore to store the contact details and the student details, and I'm using Firebase Fire Storage to store the images. Initially, I was actually using AWS and serverless functions and stuff like that, but then I found out that Flutter integrates pretty well with Firebase, so I transitioned to Firebase. Yeah, that's pretty much it for app development, or attendance app vlog 1. That's the name. So thank you guys for watching.